Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another budget-friendly Halloween craft that you can make with items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is a regular cotton mop head, a tinsel decoration, creepy cloth in the ivory whitish color, some bats, glue gun, and a wooden knob. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start by taking the tinsel off the decoration. These cotton head mops are pretty easy to take apart. All you have to do is just yank on the strings. Okay, for this I'm using two mops. And so once you have the two mops pulled apart, you can go ahead and get your scissors and just trim some of these knobs on the side. You could use your wire cutters too. They kind of get in the way when you're constructing your gnome. So next what we're going to do is get the rope or the pieces of the mop. What you're going to do is fold it in half so you have a loop on one end. You're going to pull that under the frame, and then we're going to do that technique. So I'll show you that again. The loop, put it under the frame, get the two ends, put it through the hole, and then pull down. There you go. Okay, there's the first row. And what we're going to do is we're going to put one on each of these corners here. Same technique. We're just going to pull it down like that. So we're going to go this way, pull them in there, and pull down. That's just to help cover those sections. You can do the same thing on the ends here. Pretty good coverage on the beard. Now we're going to move on to this row. Okay, now that's the second row done. We're going to go ahead and go to the top row here. Same technique. Okay, now what you do is you get your two pieces of creepy cloth. I went ahead and folded them a little bit into these, more like a sash. Then what we're going to do is start at the bottom and just wrap. What we're going to do is get the glue gun, come back here, and secure that right there. Next, what we're going to do is grab one of these bats. These are bat clips from the Dollar Tree. These come as clips, but you can just take the clip out. What we're going to do is just put some glue on there. And we're going to go ahead and place that bat right there. And then the nose. It's just a wood knob. You could use lots of other things, but for this project I'm using just wooden knob I had. I think it's really cute. Just stick it right here in the center. Then what you want to do is just go ahead and just kind of trim it up a little bit. Make sure it's even, that nothing's too long. And that's it. Now you have a mummy gnome that you can place up on your wall and simply just hang it from the frame and greet your Halloween guests. I hope you like this project. Please give it a thumbs up or comment below. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.